a closer look. Thrive Life sauces. Classic tomato sauce. Hello, hello, hello you guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video we are going to be taking a look at Thrive Life sauces, a closer look at the classic tomato sauce. Now I have done the I have bought and used the dehydrated veggies, the tomato powder. I got that a while ago and I loved it, but I wanted to see if the tomato sauce worked as well as the tomato powder and which one I preferred. So I'm going to give you a closer look at the tomato sauce. I haven't even opened it up yet. So let's do that. Ooh, what is in there? Ooh, that smells so good. What is in here, you guys? Tomato powder, food starch modified sugar, milk, fat, whey, salt, sweet cream, garlic powder, yep, onion powder, spices, I'm guessing from the looks of it, kale, Italian seasoning, chives, natural flavor, yeast extract, citric acid, anti-caking agent, and annatto color. It smells wonderful. It smells like it'd make a perfect spaghetti sauce. Alright, I need to grab a spoon here. Alright, let's take a closer look. Can you focus in? Does it focus? Yep. Tomato powder, like I said, it looks like there's chives in there, and kale, and basil and parsley. I can see the onion and the garlic. You can see the tomato powder. Yum. This looks wonderful. Alright, let's try adding a little bit of water to both of these to see what they're like. We're going to do hot water and cold water. Let's start with some cold water. Now, I'm not sure how much I'm supposed to add, so I'm just going to add a little bit, mix it all up, see what happens. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's really nice. Ooh, I really like that. Hey, that's gonna make instant pizza sauce. Oh yeah. Add just a drop more water. Oh yeah, perfect. Yep. This is gonna make perfect instant pizza sauce. That looks so good. Yum. Alright, we are going to try it with hot water now. I'm going to try adding a little bit more water to this than I did the other one. See what happens. Ooh, this is like a really nice spaghetti sauce. Oh yeah. Ooh, I'm really happy with this. Oh, I'm definitely happy. Cool. Alright guys, that was simple and easy. Thanks for coming along, and let's get you a closer look at both of these. This is with the hot water and a little more water. Oh, and I wish you had smell-o-vision. And this is with the cold water and a little less water. This will make a perfect pizza sauce. Come on, focus. Doesn't want to focus. because I shoved it up in the face of the camera too fast. Here we go. There we go. Still doesn't want to focus, but okay. It's a little bit thicker. And it's cold water and it's less water. I like that. I like both options. Cool. Thanks for coming along, you guys. Leave a comment down below and let me know what other kinds of things you'd like to have me do on a closer look. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up. It helps spread the channel. Every time you leave a thumbs up, it helps YouTube recommend my video to other people, and it's a way you can help my channel grow. Alright everyone, we'll see you in the next video, and remember, stay positive. Bye. A closer look, afterthought review. So, right after I got done filming my, a closer look on the Thrive Life tomato sauce, I made one of my son's favorite dinners, spaghetti with hot dogs.
Spaghetti!
With hot dogs, and I used the tomato sauce, dried tomato sauce powder, and a jar of my homemade canned stewed tomatoes. I love it. As far as spaghetti sauce goes, I'll be buying both this and the tomato powder. I will be using this for spaghetti sauce. I love it. It's wonderful. And the tomato powder I'll be using for things like my shepherd's pie or my tacos, because I always add just a little bit of tomato powder to my tacos. It adds an amazing flavor. And then the tomato powder I'll also use for pizza sauce, because then I can spice it and flavor it to how I want it. Alright guys, see ya. Stay positive. Bye.